Chin-up, feet-assisted, gymnastics rings. This variation of the feet-assisted chin-up is one possible way to build the strength needed for strict chin-ups. The rings allow your shoulders, elbows and wrists to move naturally through the pulling motion, which reduces joint stress. Using your feet for assistance gives you full control over the difficulty of each rep, so you can focus on the technique as you build strength. Start by setting your gymnastics rings to standing chest height. This allows you to keep your feet on the floor as you work through the full range of motion in the chin-up. Place your feet forward of the rings. You want to hang from the rings with your arms straight while having the ring straps perpendicular to the floor and your wrists, elbows, shoulders and hips aligned under the straps. At the bottom of the rep, turn the rings into a neutral grip, palms facing inwards towards each other. Make sure your head comes slightly forward so that your biceps are behind your ears. This is the starting and ending position of each rep. Each rep begins by depressing and retracting your shoulders. Think about pulling your shoulder blades back and down before you bend your elbows. This sets the upper back, protects the shoulders, and ensures the right muscles are working. As you chin up, allow the rings to rotate from neutral to supinated so the palms are facing your chest at the top. This rotation is more comfortable for the wrists and elbows and allows your biceps to work in their strongest pulling position, making the movement smoother and more joint friendly compared to a fixed bar. Lift the chest and create a slight arch in the upper back as you pull your shoulder blades back and down. This will help you use the large back muscles and reduce the load on the smaller arm muscles. As you bend the elbows, focus on pulling them back and down as you bring your chest up towards the rings. Use your legs to assist as needed. You have complete control over how much help you give through the entire range of motion. Once you reach the top, reverse the movement slowly. Straighten your arms under control as you return to the bottom position. Keep the shoulder blades pulled back and down until the arms are straight, and then allow the shoulders to relax and your head to move forward again to return to the starting position. As your strength improves, you can reduce the amount of assistance from your legs. You can lift one foot off the floor. You can perform the lowering phase with both feet off the floor. Or you can try and do the full chin-up with your feet off the floor. The feet-assisted ring chin-up is a great way to build strength through the vertical pulling pattern and develop the control needed for full chin-ups. Now, because your feet are slightly out in front, you may use a little more bicep than in the real hanging chin-up. But this variation still allows you to train the full range of motion safely and progressively as you work towards your first unassisted chin-up. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.